In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear cache in Google Chrome. If a website is acting glitchy, not loading the latest version, or elements just don't look right, clearing your cache is a quick, reliable fix. Your cache is a storage area where Chrome saves copies of images and files from websites so they load faster next time. Over time, those files can get outdated or corrupted, which is why a clean refresh can solve a lot of display and loading issues. Here's the fastest way to get exactly where you need to be. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. Press and hold Ctrl and Shift, then tap Delete. This instantly opens Chrome's clear browsing data window, no matter what tab you're on. It's the quickest shortcut to the right menu, and it works even if a page isn't responding properly. In the clear browsing data window, set the time range to all time. This makes sure you're not leaving behind any old cached files that could still cause problems. Think of it as a full refresh across all the sites you've visited, so Chrome can rebuild a clean, current cache from scratch. Next, to fix site errors without losing your history or signing out of websites, uncheck everything except cached images and files. Leave that one option selected and make sure things like browsing history and cookies are not selected. Cached images and files are the temporary site files we want to remove. Browsing history is just a record of where you've been, and cookies are what keep you signed in and remember site preferences. Since we're only targeting cache, your logins, saved passwords, and bookmarks won't be affected. Now, click Clear Data. Chrome will delete the temporary files it has stored. This doesn't remove your bookmarks, saved passwords, or autofill. It simply clears out old copies of site assets so the next time you visit, the browser is forced to fetch the newest version of everything. After this, the first load of your regular websites may be a little slower than usual, which is normal. Chrome is rebuilding its cache with fresh files. Once that's done, pages should look correct, behave more smoothly, and reflect the latest updates. And that's all there is to it. Clean, fast, and up to date. You're all set. If a page still seems off after clearing the cache, the issue may be with the website itself, and it might correct on their end shortly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a smoother browsing experience.